Welcome to this video on how to create a successful online business in the real estate industry. If you're interested in creating a successful business in the real estate industry online, this video is for you. In this video, we will explore some fundamental steps to create a successful online real estate business. Step 1. Identify your target audience. The first step to create a successful online real estate business is to understand your target audience. You need to know who your ideal customers are: university students, young professionals, families, seniors, etc. This will help you create an effective marketing strategy. Step 2. Choose your business model. There are different business models in the online real estate industry. You can sell properties, offer rental services, or even create a price comparison website. Choose the business model that best suits your goals and skills. Step 3. Create a professional website. Your website is your online storefront, so it's important that it's professional and user-friendly. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly and has an appealing design. Include information about the properties you sell or rent, the services you offer, and how customers can contact you. Step 4. Use social media to promote your business. Social media is a powerful tool to promote your business online. Use Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to post photos and videos of the properties you sell or rent, promote your services, and engage with your customers. Step 5. Create quality content. Creating quality content is one of the best ways to attract new customers and retain existing ones. Create blog posts, videos, and infographics that provide useful information about the real estate industry. This will help you position yourself as an expert in your field and build trust with your customers. Step 6. Offer excellent customer service. Customer service is crucial for the success of any business, and the online real estate industry is no exception. Make sure to respond promptly to customer inquiries, provide accurate information, and be available to answer their questions. In summary, to create a successful online real estate business, it's important to identify your target audience, choose the right business model, create a professional website, use social media to promote your business, create quality content, and offer excellent customer service. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest news in the world of online real estate. Thank you for watching the video.